we are back in Fleet. So we're back on the same job that you would have seen us do this kitchen, which I'll show you right now. So that's all done, and then from the end of that video we were coming into the corridor, so changing all the skirting boards, architraves, and getting those painted, and we will be painting and wallpapering the corridor as well. Alongside with that, we are doing the cloakroom. So we've got, that's all been stripped out. Mark's stripped out everything already. This is how we're looking now. Everything's out. In terms of tiles, this is what she's chosen. And then she's putting some wallpaper on the walls, which she still hasn't chosen yet, but we're going to do the tiles first, and then we're going to come back to the wallpaper to see which style she wants. So we're going to get everything stripped out completely, and then get the walls back and we start doing the tiling hopefully today. And the bathroom suite I will show you on the screen now. So these are the items that she's chose. So we are going with the brass accents. It'll be sort of brass trims around the tiles. Hand basin sink, yeah. Is it just a... Oh, is that going underneath?
What's that?
The tea?
Yeah, that'll be tea for the cold water. Come out the same like this, because the waste has come out up to here, the waste pipe for the sink.
Oh yeah.
So that can stay behind.
Okay.
That's the inside of the pedestal thing.
Yeah, okay.
This one, bring that one elbow here, down up to here, facing down, and then flexi like that.
Yeah.
And this one in front of it there.
Yeah.
Should we do that?
Let's do it. We are ready for tiling, so all the plumbing's done. That's for a semi-pedestal sink. We have got a fresh bit of plasterboard on the ceiling, so we're going to skim over that. We've done our plumbing for the toilet. So now I'm going to use these are chalk rosa, like a blush sort of colour. So I'm going to be doing a brick style with that on the walls. So I'm ready for tiling, and we're going to get my trowel. Let's make a start. That's it. Everything's all tiled. We've got these brass trims in there. So there is gold accents, as you saw. The stuff that we're going to be fitting. But yeah, the trims. Yeah, they look pretty tidy. Right, so this is the ground we're going to be using. Blush. There we go. Another bow product. All grouted, all polished up. Can't really see the colour matching with the tiles. It's looking quite nice. And the trims as well, the brass trims. Clean that bit. It does need one more wallpaper, but we're gonna. So the floor, I've actually got one here. It's gonna be this LVT. Something like that. LVT. Right, so the floor is done, and the plaster's dry as well. So I'm going to start with getting that all sanded down a little bit where it needs, and then I'm going to do the wash coat and then do a couple of coats on here, so that will be done. So I'm going to cover up the floor. So yeah, the floor looks really nice. You might remember we've used this floor, so this floor is actually continuing throughout the house. So through the corridor, it's going in the kitchen and in the conservatory. And yeah, here's a seashell oak. That's the name of it. That's the colour. So, but let's get what's covered up. Right, so I've done the first coat with the bathroom ceiling paint. So I'm sure you guys don't want to see me do another coat, so let's just do one of these. Voila. That's all painted now. It's had about 4 coats, so it should be enough. But to the fun bits. So we're getting ready for this one. Toilet's going in, and then sink is going in as well, and then all the accessories. And then we'll clean up everything, silicone everything, so yeah, let's check back up.
You've still got, you know, the big masonry drill bits?
Yeah, the long one.
Yeah, but this is like 12 mil.
Oh yeah. Okay. Sink is in. You see, you put the same pedestal part at the bottom. And do when it's in. We've got our brass slush. You can see brass tap, brass pop up. Yeah, let's get the rest of it done. So lift that up, clean up, and silicone. But we're all going to wait until we wallpaper the walls. And that's it, the cloakroom is complete. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.